we're marketing agents more than auctioneers, because we need to get information out into the marketplace as quickly as we can.
In order to use technology, you have to think about your whole organization. We had to essentially restructure how we do business. We had to think about how are we going to get the major pieces of equipment listed as soon as possible. Restructuring our organization so that information would flow and arrive there and be there precisely at the earliest possible moment, so our customers can find what they want. There's a much greater chance that they'll be able to find it there. The fact that we have a great team here and people who think about those kind of details means that we do a really special job.
We're just a big team, and it flows very well.
The auction catalog is done once. It's tied into the auction program, that's tied into the internet, that's tied into the accounting system.
I can take all that information and put it down into a spreadsheet that's going to get posted on the website, that's going to tell a really great story about what's in that factory, and right from there it'll just take us all the way through to a successful sale.
We know how many catalogs have been downloaded. We see who's looking. It's, I think, a much more efficient flow of information. I think that the customers are actually getting much more of what they need.
Whatever we look at on our computer is exactly the same as what's here in the office. And as we make corrections and updates, it automatically does that here. Whoever buys the equipment, they just have to basically mail the checks in here. They make arrangements to get the equipment picked up, and we're done.
The way we set it up, it's so it can go out as easy as possible.
As soon as they win an item, it says you won, and they actually have a running count of what they bought. That counting part is a lot easier because of the fact that information gets into the system as it goes on. So that's a lot more streamlined.
And so when the bidder wants to get an invoice, bingo, they just go see Hazel, and Hazel goes, oh, just a moment, I'll get your invoice for you.
They'll send the invoice via email to the plant, and I can get a wire transfer for payment, you know, so it's almost instantaneous.
The internet has given us the opportunity to reach so many more people.
What the internet has really done is totally opened up the global market.
We've got a lot of equipment people who attend our auctions virtually.
It's changed the dynamic of an auction. It's changed the ability to sell equipment. It's changed everything. The internet is the best thing that ever happened to industrial auctions.
It means that your audience is much bigger. It means that your customers can be as far away as they are.
75 I have, thank you, up here online. So now you see the little yellow there. That is an online bidder for $175, and it is sold online for $175.
And so we have more customers all over the world who are participating as if they were right next door.